Hi, hello, how we doing? So today what we're going to do is we're going to build Flappy Bird from scratch and then train an AI that never loses. Okay, to begin with, let's just get a circle on the screen. Okay, sick, but now let's add gravity and reduce its size. Okay, now we need to add the jump so it actually resembles the game. Okay, we can see that it's not working as intended, but I do have an idea as to what is happening. So the problem is in the code. Every time we jump, we add a certain value to the y vector, meaning that it increases exponentially. So if we fix that, it should work. Beautiful, it's working great. Okay, now what we need to do is we actually need to make it, shit, I forgot. Either way, we need to make it, the walls come, we need to make pipes. And as you can see, we did it. It's pretty big. Usually when you're playing Flappy Bird, the resolution is lower, but this is gonna have to do. So next what we have to do is we actually have to make it look like the game. So let's go and do that, please. Wait, it actually looks so bad, but I kind of feel bad getting rid of it. So I've decided to make the executive decision of keeping it. By the way, here we've got the tubes and the background as well. Alright, I had to skip the code for this one just because it was pretty boring and uninteresting, but without further ado, we've got the not finished, the not complete, but the improved Flappy Bird. Yeah, let's go! It looks so good, it looks so much better than before. But honestly, on a real note, we do need to add some rotation, so it looks like the actual game, and we also have to add some collision, as well as a sound, one of those stupid ass Okay, we need a score, so let's just go and do that, please. Oh my days, to be completely honest, I don't know why it's doing this. Okay, perfect. We've finally finished the actual game. So the bird rotates, we've got a score, the game has collision, it ends, although it doesn't have like an animation, it still ends though. So I think this is an appropriate time to start training our AI model. Woo, yes, let's go. We're finally getting to the point of the video, 2 minutes and 40 seconds in. Okay, so in my last videos I used deep Q learning, for example in my snake video or in my ping pong video, but now I want to do something different because to be completely honest, I don't want to go through all of that again. So, we're going to implement what's like a variation of the NEAT algorithm, which is basically, in layman's terms, natural selection, but it's going to be a bit difficult because I'm doing this in Java and usually do this in Python, so let's see how that turns out. So, each bird in the game is controlled by a small neural network. It takes in information like its position, speed, and where the next pipe is, and decides whether to jump or not. So after every generation, what I do is I rank the birds based on how well they performed, and the best ones get to reproduce while the other ones just die. Basically like natural selection, combining and mutating their weights to create the next generation. So what happens is that over time, the population evolves better and better strategies for surviving. Okay, scratch what I said before, that was a pain in the ass. I needed to refactor that whole fucking file because I didn't think of it. So yeah, cool. Okay, so we finally got everything ready to go. So before we start, I humbly ask you to help a brother out and subscribe. Either way, even if you don't, just sit back and enjoy. Okay, so I would have kept it going, but it was literally just not dying, so I'm afraid we have to end it there. Alright, this is the official end of the video. I want to thank you all for watching, all the people that have made it to the end. I am sorry to be annoying, but if you can, please subscribe if you like the content, and I'll be sure to make more of these in the future. Bye bye.